Anus boy straight-mouthed face with one raised eyebrow. Straight-mouthed face with one raised eyebrow. Has gone online. Hey Schlimes cross-eyed grinning face with stuck-out tongue. Cross-eyed grinning face with stuck-out tongue. Everyone has gone online. Man Jecho Hey Schlimes cross-eyed grinning face with stuck-out tongue. Cross-eyed grinning face with stuck-out tongue. Head ass on somewhere. Lumfeoa. Girl, anyways. Boy XD. Get out. Leave the group chat. So discussing. Discussing? Ooh, so discussing face with rolling eyes. Omi-kun. Oops, my font was on. Lumfo. What the fuck Lolo? Tsumu. Babe. Gahahaha. No, not the font. Oh my. He's so fine. As he pushes you on the bed he starts to punish you. This ain't Wattpad bestie. I cannot with you all.
You so bad, yeah. And baby I want you so bad, yeah.
Straight-mouthed face with one raised eyebrow. 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 Yuwu. No. B-baka yn smiling face with horns. Red double exclamation mark. Freezing blue face with icicles. 100 points symbol. Has closed the chat. Reason, Suga we don't do that furry shit here. Hey Kaiuadi. So on. How was the video? Yeah, this was really lazy. But I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye, I love you.